Okay, we are starting our next lecture, and this lecture is based on the project of data analysis. The project is of census report of 1998 to 2017. So, in this population analysis, we will see the data of the Pakistan and on the basis of division, subdivision, province. So starting our lecture from importing the libraries, which I have already told you in my previous lectures. So after importing libraries, just simply importing the data from pd.csv, and the data is saved in our current directory in the with the name of subdivision population of Pakistan.csv. Okay, and this data set is saved in the variable df. So we can see the columns and the data types and the null values, all of this in using .info. So .info function will tell us the data types, whether it is object, float, int. Int will tell us the numerical data type, float will tell the decimal point data type, and object will tell us the categorical data type. df.head will tell the first 5 rows of whole data. Okay, there are total of 528 entries and 21 columns. This is also given by df.info. Okay, data has 21 columns, but we only are watching 20 columns. Now we will set max columns printing option. pd dot it is utility of pandas library. pd dot set option display dot max column none. Okay, then df dot head. It will this query will when this query will run, it will give all the columns. First of all, we were getting 20 columns in here. When you see these dots, these dots will tell us that there are multiple columns which notebook is skipping because there is lot of data. So in this scenario, all the columns will be covered. There are no dotted lines in the data. Okay, df.column will tell us all the columns in the data set. Then df.dtypes will tell us the data types of the data. Okay, df.describe.t. T means transpose. If we write just df.describe, it will give the whole summary of statistics applied in the data in whole 21 columns. But if we take the transpose, it will convert rows into columns and columns into rows. Okay, but the data is still same, no worries at all. It is our own choice. If we see data is more accurate, data is more reliable watching like this, or data is more reliable watching by removing transpose. So it is totally up to us. Okay, df dot is null dot sum will tell us the if the data is having null values, so data is very good. There is no need to impute the data because there is no null values in the data. So we are making the box plot of the data. Here you can see whole box. Data can spread from this point to this point, and the data is in form of circles spreading from this line. I will explain it later on. Okay, we are making the his plot. His plot will tell us the data distribution. So here is the data distribution. Here is the frequency, and here is the area in square kilometers. So there is a lot of frequency, means there are a lot of people living. If the area is around 2,500 square kilometer. In those subdivisions, most of the people are living. This histogram is telling us this. So I have already explained this. Okay, moving along. Sorry, moving along. SMS.boxplot, again we are making the box plot on the basis of x and y. X will be the independent and y will be the dependent variable. Okay, and in the x we have province, and why we write all sexes ruler means give us all the values of the sexes means males and females present in the rural areas only of the provinces. So we have also written right here PLT. PLT is the it is using the library of matplotlib. Okay, PLT dot x label, it will give us the x labels which is given here province, and y label population ruler here, and title is given here. So what is it saying? That the people living, most people living in Punjab, then KPK, then Sindh, then Balochistan, then FATA. This is the this is variance of the data. People from this point to this point, this can be our outlier, but this is the total data distribution. So this is not zero point 0.5, this is multiplied by 10 power 6 means million. Okay, we cannot make the box plot of on the basis of district because data will be so rough, because all the district cannot come in this graph. We can't make the plots using group by function. So from now here we can get some information from the data which will be used in our data driven distribution, data driven decision making. Okay, we know that how many provinces: Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, KP, Fata. Okay, and then we have printed the n unique values of the province. Total five provinces here. Total five provinces on the basis of that data set we are using. Okay, you can use that data set from Kaggle. Okay, then printing the districts and their unique and unique values means total unique values are 131, means total of the districts are 131. This is also very major insight. I know. Okay, now print the deviance. Total 28 deviance. Good. And then we are using group by function, df group by. Okay, size sort by value ascending false. What this means? We want the deviance, and want the size of the deviant, and sort by their what ascending false means it will go firstly we will have the greater value, then moving toward the shorter ones. Okay, what is this size doing here? It tells us there are majorly 38 subdivisions. Larkana division has 21 subdivisions, etc. Deir Ismail Khan division has 15 subdivisions inside this big division. Okay, df dot group by province. We are making the group by, it means we are making group of province on the basis of all sex rural. Mean we want the all the females and males of the rural areas of provinces, and we are taking the mean of it. So we want just mean average of the people, both male and female, living in the provinces. Balochistan, this KPK, this Punjab, for 4,80,160. Okay, and likewise synth. So we are taking the df.head, pd.set option. We are already using this option, so there is no need of this query again. Df.group by, we are again using the group by function of province, division, district, subdivision on the basis of all success ruler. Mean give us the data of all the males and female which are living in subdivision, district, division, and province. So it will give us firstly Balochistan's division, Kalat division, and inside Kalat division, what is a district? It will tell us all the districts and and subdivisions and people living in the subdivisions and their means. Okay, means suppose in one house there are five people living, and in the next house there are 10 people living, and in the next house there are 15 people living. So it will tell the mean. Suppose 5 plus 10 plus 15, it will be 30, and divided by 3, it will give us answer 10. So on an average 10 people living in the three houses. So likewise it is giving us the mean. Suppose there were 10,000 houses in what is this, Gazg sub tehsil. and on an average in this tehsil